This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 333 Rets is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Coachmen RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, external shower, air conditioning, water heater, smoke detector, microwave, oven, skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 333 Rets is 8,268 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Coachmen RV.